Hello, I'm Nikki McDaniels of Marion Regional Healthcare Systems, and today's Healthy Minute is about something almost all of us can relate to: smoking. Whether you are currently a smoker, have quit smoking, or know someone who smokes, your life has most likely been affected by this addictive habit. We all know that serious health problems and even death are linked to smoking. Today I'm here to discuss how to help you or your loved one kick the habit. Smoking cessation classes help you determine what triggers you to smoke, teaches you how to use this knowledge to overcome your nicotine addiction, and helps you break the cycle of quitting and then restarting. If you are severely addicted to smoking, you may be more successful by incorporating a nicotine substitute product such as a nicotine gum or a patch, nicotine nasal spray, or a nicotine inhaler. Whatever method you choose, consult your physician first. Kick the habit and take a breath of fresh air and join the millions of smokers who quit each year. I'm Nikki McDaniels of Marion Regional Healthcare Systems, and this is today's Healthy Minute.
The Healthy Minute is brought to you by Marion Regional Healthcare System.